Are you feeling like you're just drowning in a sea of articles, reports, and emails you're supposed to read? Well, in this explainer, I'm going to show you a simple, super powerful, and completely free method to turn all that text into your own personal audiobook. So let's just dive right in.
First things first, let's talk about a problem we all have. The amount of content that gets thrown at us every single day is, well, it's just staggering. You've got news, emails, reports, and it can really feel like you're just trying to keep your head above water.
I mean, does this sound familiar to you? News articles, those long work reports, research papers, emails that are practically novels, the list just goes on and on. It's that feeling, right? That you're always playing catch up.
And you know, this isn't just a feeling, it's very real. Get this, the average person comes across somewhere between 30 and 100 different pieces of content every single day. So yeah, it is no wonder we feel completely swamped.
So here's the bottom line. We can't just magically create more time in the day, and it's literally impossible to read it all. The trick is to work smarter, not harder. And that is exactly the solution we're going to build right now.
So how do we do it? You can forget all that complicated software or those expensive subscriptions. The answer is a really simple two-step method that can totally change how you take in information.
And here it is. It's this easy. First, you just summarize the content to get the main ideas instantly. Second, you turn that summary into an audio file that you can listen to anywhere, anytime. That's it. It's simple, it's fast, and it is remarkably effective.
Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds a little too simple, but there's some real magic behind this approach. Let's break down why this is such a game changer. See, this method works so well because it plays right into how our brains are wired to learn. We're built to understand the big picture first, and the summary gives you that perfect mental map. By cutting out all the fluff, you're not just saving a massive amount of time, you're getting this concentrated dose of the important stuff, which actually boosts your focus and helps you remember more.
Okay, theory is great, but let's get practical. How do you actually do this? Well, the best part is you can build this entire toolkit without spending a single dime.
Okay, so step one is summarizing. And luckily for us, there are some fantastic free options out there. But which one should you use? Let's do a quick comparison.
So this chart lays out some of the best free options. My top pick for just everyday articles is the summary extension. It's super fast, it's pretty accurate, and you don't even need to log in. But when you're dealing with something longer or more complicated, you're going to want to use Google Gemini. As you can see, its ability to handle long texts and its accuracy are really top-notch.
And hey, if you're using Gemini, here's a little pro tip. Don't just ask it to summarize. Use this exact prompt. Asking for 5 easy-to-understand key points basically forces the AI to give you a clean, structured, and genuinely useful list every single time. It works like a charm.
All right, so you've got your perfect summary. Let's move on to step 2 and turn that text into your own personal on-the-go audiobook.
My go-to tool for this is a website called ttsforfree.com. And the reasons are simple. It's totally free, the voices sound surprisingly natural, there are no annoying watermarks, and it kicks out your MP3 file in just a few seconds.
And the process itself couldn't be easier. You just go to the site, paste in your summary, pick a voice you like, and hit generate. A few seconds later, you can download the MP3. The whole thing takes less than a minute. Seriously.
Okay, let's put this all together and see what happens. I'm going to walk you through a real-world example just to show you how much time this can actually save.
So here's our challenge, a pretty dense 1,800-word article. Now, for the average person to read this carefully, it would take about 8 minutes. Let's see if we can beat that time.
Step 1, we pop the article link into Google Gemini using that pro tip prompt from before, and in just a few seconds, boom, it gives us this clean, easy-to-digest set of bullet points that captures all the core ideas.
Next, we copy those bullet points, paste them into TTS for free, and generate the audio. And the final result? That 8-minute read is now a 40-second listen. I mean, just think about that for a second. 8 minutes of reading shrunk down to just 40 seconds of listening. That's a true game changer.
So now you've seen the full process. But before we wrap up, let's go over a few quick tips to help you perfect your audio summaries and really get the most out of this method.
Here are a few little tricks to make your audio sound way less robotic. First, break your text up into shorter paragraphs. The AI uses things like periods and commas to create natural pauses, so make sure you use them correctly. I usually find that a listening speed of 0.9x or 1.0x is perfect for learning.
And finally, try to match the voice to the content. You know, a formal voice for a report, or a warmer one for a story. It makes a surprisingly big difference.
So who is this really for? Honestly, pretty much everyone. We're talking students trying to get through research papers, professionals trying to digest reports, anyone trying to keep up with the news while they're commuting. It's a universal tool for learning more in way less time. So the big takeaway here is this. You are now equipped with a system, a free, fast, and really efficient way to turn your downtime into learning time. You can catch up on information while you're driving, while you're at the gym, or even while you're making dinner.
And that leaves us with one final and pretty exciting question. With all the hours you're about to save every single week, what new things are you going to choose to learn? The possibilities are now wide open.